Imagine drilling into your own skull and attempting to implant a brain chip, all in the name of science. It sounds like a scene out of a sci-fi movie, right? Well, for Russian researcher Mikhail Raduga, this was a reality. Welcome to Techno World, where we explore the most mind-blowing tech and science stories. Mikhail Raduga, founder of REM Space, is a pioneer in dream research. But his methods are anything but conventional. In 2023, Raduga attempted a self-surgery to implant an electrode in his brain. His goal? To stimulate the motor cortex during REM sleep and unlock the secrets of dream control. Without medical supervision, Raduga performed this risky procedure in his own home. The result? Catastrophic blood loss that nearly ended his life. Despite this, he survived and remained undeterred. Raduga's determination to explore the boundaries of human consciousness has drawn both awe and criticism. His focus remains on lucid dreaming, an area where REM Space continues to innovate. In October 2024, REM Space claimed a groundbreaking achievement, the first successful communication between two individuals during lucid dreaming. This so-called dream chat has been described as a historic milestone, with the potential to revolutionize how we understand the brain and consciousness. While many hail Raduga as a visionary, others criticize his dangerous methods and question the ethics of self-experimentation. Regardless of where you stand, it's undeniable that his work pushes the limits of science and technology. What do you think about Mikhail Raduga's daring experiment? Is it genius or reckless? Let us know in the comments. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more incredible stories from the world of technology and science.